Hello friend, welcome back. Page load timer. This tool we all are using and getting the load time of our particular web page. But it is very important when you are using any tool to understand all the parameters and everything which that tool is giving you. Like in case of page load timer, it really gives you the load time of the web page, and that load time considers a lot of parameter. If you click here, you will see that it used to consider the redirect time, DNS time, connect time, request, response. So how this load time is getting calculated and what is the meaning of each and every parameter, it becomes really required, like it becomes very mandatory to understand each and every parameter, each and every time which is being calculated here, so that like you understand the meaning of them and then you can explain it to your developer or to someone that why the performance of your web page has gone down, what could be the reason, or is it doing good or not. So considering that all these things in mind, here I'm introducing the page load timer certification, through which I will try to help you guys to understand all these parameters and will make sure that you guys really know about the meaning of these tools, these parameters and the definitions of these things. So first of all, like, what is page load time? What is the meaning of page load time? This is the time, it's a kind of like total time taken for a web page to fully display in a user browser. What does that mean? For an example, like if you open any website here, like let's say we open flipkart.com here, so you will notice that here, once this will be loaded completely, it will show the load time here. So if I refresh this page, so you can see that it has taken this much, 0.83 second it has taken. Okay, so now if you click on this, here you will see the different parameters. So which parameter has taken what time, and based on that it is showing the total page load time. So all this has taken completely 0.83 second, because it shows this time here in seconds and here it shows in millisecond. You can see that load timings in millisecond, here it shows in this page, and here on top it shows in second. So this much time it has taken. So this is basically the total time taken for a web page to fully load, fully display in a user browser. Okay, so now we have got that what is page load time. Now the next thing is which all parameters, which all time, basically which all times are being considered to calculate the total page load time. In this, it considered the DNS lookup time, this here you can see, then connection time, server response time, and everything which is being downloaded, that download time also it used to consider. So all these parameters it used to consider while calculating the page load time. Now that we understand that what is page load time and which all parameters have been considered while calculating the page load time, the next thing, now we need to understand that individual meaning of these times which has been shown here and considered. So the first thing is, like, what is DNS time? DNS time is basically, this is to kind of like resolving the time taken to resolve the domain to an IP. So DNS time is the time which has been taken to resolve the domain to an IP. Next one is connection time. Connection time is time which has been taken to establishing a connection with the server. What is the server response time in that case? How fast your server returns the requested page, the page which we have requested. So the time which has been taken by the server to return the requested page, that is the server response time. So these are some of the definitions of these important time which are being considered while calculating the total page load time. Then why page load time is mandatory? What is the like importance of this. Why it is important? It is important because it impacts your SEO. It's affect user experience. There could be a chance that impact of bounce rate becomes higher. It can increase the, like it can lower the conversion rate of your users, because if your page website is taking time to load forever, then definitely user will bounce, user is not going to stay. And it becomes very important to understand, I'm not sure like how many of you know or whether you know or not. Then in that case, like we are talking page load time and everything, you can have a question, what could be the ideal range of like page load time? So if your website is taking less than 2 seconds, I mean like this is a general thing which has been like considered by like most of the people out there. So average load time, if it is less than 2 seconds, these are some of the ideal range which I am suggesting based on the like different forums and blogs. Less than 2 seconds, if it is less than 2 seconds, then it is great. Like people think like if the load time is less than 2 seconds, then it's great. If it is between 2 to 4 seconds, then it is acceptable, but we won't say like this is really good. And if it is more than 4 seconds, the page load time is more than 4 seconds, then definitely your web page, your website need an optimization. So these are some of the like really important thing which I believe like each one of you should be knowing. And now once you know all these parameters and all the definitions of all these things, I hope like you will be able to understand the tool, understand the terminology and more about this particular tool. Then apart from this, like page load timer, this is a browser plugin. Of course this cannot be used on mobile app, for native mobile app, though it can be used for the website like mobile web. It can be used when you open a website like this in a mobile view. Yes, there it can be used, but not for the native mobile app. It can be used in incognito mode. It can be used for local HTML file. If you turn on this toggle and this toggle here, now if you open any incognito mode, you can see that here it will be visible and it will be showing the load time. It can be also used for the local HTML file. If you open any local HTML file here, that will also work, or here you can open local HTML file, so that will also work. Then you can download the report, you can view the report for last 100 page you have opened. For that you can download here, you can clear the data, you can do a lot of settings here. You can blacklist one website, multiple website, you can whitelist one website or multiple website, you can do that. You can also set the max load time if you want to get the alert for that particular website if any performance goes down. Like let's say you have set a, like here we set SelectorsHub.com, and now if we give it as a 1 second, so if it will take more than 1 second of time, this page will take more than 1 second of time, then we will get the alert here that this page has taken more than 1 second of max load time. And you can also hide this pop-up, just get the load time here in red color display. Like if you feel that this is annoying, you can see here, you can turn off this toggle, and now you will not get the toggle here. You can just get the load time in red color if it is taking more than the max load time. So this is how you can get this as well. Then here you can also get the duplicate URL with the multiple load time. So if you like by default, now if you open this report here, you will get the latest load time of this, and same as an average load time. But you want the duplicate values with the multiple load times of the same page, then you turn on this toggle. And now if you reload this page again, so you will see that now here multiple load times will be there for the same page here, and then their average load time. So this is how you can calculate the average load time as well and get the multiple load time for a page, single page. So there are many other features are there in page load timer which will really help you to understand all these things. And here you have the like if you want to whitelist, blacklist website, that you can do. So this is the page load timer. After watching this tutorial, I hope like you will be able to clear the certification. You can get these take this quiz here for page load timer and get your certificate right away fill the correct information to get the certificate in your email ID. And once you will clear the certification, you will have to get minimum 75% marks to clear this particular certification. And once you will be done, you will get the certificate like this, and you will get the email like this basically, and there you will get the certificate. So I hope you enjoyed this certification program, and this will really help you guys to get some knowledge about the tool, about the terminology, and something more about performance testing. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.